Hello dear friends, welcome to our channel with a new tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create a stunning 20 user Tumbler mockup using both Photoshop and Canva. Whether you are a designer or a small business owner, mockups are a powerful way to showcase your designs professionally. I will walk you through each steps from adding your artwork to adjusting shadows and lights. So you can create realistic, eye-catching Tumblr presentation for your store, clients or social media, etc. No matter your skill level, you will find helpful tips in both tools. So let's get started and bring your Tumblr design to life. Become a member of my Level Up Patreon and get instant access to all my exclusive mockups and design templates. Whether you are a designer or content creator, you will find everything you need to boost your project. Join today and unlock a growing library of creative resources. Download link can be found in every description box of my channel's video. Thank you. For both Canva and Photoshop mockups, the first part is selection in shape mode. So, first of all, select the pen tool and switch to shape mode. Then select the object roughly by left clicking on it. Then select Add Anchor Point tool. Use it to preciously select and add anchor point to an object. If you are new user, then use the arrow tool for up and down the point or drag to control the handles and make selection. Okay. Follow the process. And the mockup download link can be found in the description box. Join our Patreon family and get more mockups or templates from there. Carefully select the object because for mockup, selection is very important part. Selection is done. Right click on it to make a selection or press enter. See, all objects are selected properly. Okay. Then press Ctrl D for deselect. And follow the previous all process for second one. Okay. Same as select pen tool, roughly select by clicking left side. Then select Add Anchor Point tool and adjust the point properly. Both tumbler are selected. Both selection is done, and now I will show the process of mockup in Canva. Selecting the shape by pressing Ctrl. Then select the main object layer and press Ctrl J for copy the object. Then press Ctrl Shift U to set the saturation level to 0. Then select image, adjustment and level for texture frame. Then adjust the point for light and shadow. See, the shadow part is black and the light part is slightly grey. Now the texture frame is ready for Canva mockup, and follow the previous process for second one. To make it look realistic, shadows and lighting need to be adjusted for the Canva frame. Okay. After adjusted, shape layer is on, then change the color as per your choice, and fill and opacity must be 100%. Then main object, then Canva frame layer, then shape layer. Same as for second one. Okay. Then I will save it as a PDF and upload it on Canva. Open Canva on your browser and create 2000 by 2000 pixel page. Then uploaded the PDF. When the upload is completed, go to the project section and then just click on the PDF. I uploaded all my designs. Then selected the red area and pressed delete button. Then select both frame and setting the opacity to around 70 to 85. Opacity adjustment should help achieve the desired visual effect in your design. Then just drag and drop your design on the Canva frame. Then I am going to edit and adjustment the saturation level. Increase the saturation level and contrast level for the color temperature. And I am going to edit the adjustment and increase the saturation to my liking. If you need more color, then increase the saturation level as per your need. Then just drag and drop your design. Adjustment remains same. And if you need this mockup, just join my Patreon family. Check the description box for the link and get the mockup. Our 20OZ Tumbler Canva mockup is ready. Now return to the Photoshop for the Photoshop mockup, and after that I just group the layers and rename the group name. And for both mockup, selection is must, so I just copied the shape layer for the Photoshop part. And here is the important information about that for 20OZ Tumbler, there was a particular size for 20OZ Tumbler mockup. PSD mockup need to create a smart object. So create the smart object as per the 20OZ Tumbler sizes. And here the 20 was a Tumbler design. So first of all, take a new page as per Tumbler size, and that is, and resolution must be 300. Then just drag the rectangle to the page where I create the all mockup. Then right click on the rectangle layer in the layer panel. Then select convert to smart object from the context menu and resize it as per the Tumbler. Then double clicking on it to open it in a new window, adding your design elements within that window. Rasterize the layer and save changes. Then press Ctrl T and right click on it and select Distort to set the smart object as per the Tumbler shape. After that, again right click on it, select wrap and wrap the smart object a little bit. Then I will select the shape layer by pressing Ctrl. Select the smart object layer and adding mask to the smart object layer. Okay. After that, to make it look realistic, shadows and light need to be adjusted. So again I will select the shape by pressing Ctrl and then select the main object and pressing Ctrl J to copy it and bring this copied layer to the top. Then press Ctrl Shift U to set the saturation to 0. I will make 2 more copies of it by pressing Ctrl J. I will apply linear burn to the first copied layer. And the second copied layer, I will apply linear dodge add for the mid-tone level. Go to image, adjustment and level for adjusted the mid-tone level. See, there was too much light, and for that I just selecting the area where the light was too much and select by lasso tool, then shift F6 readjusted the mid-tone level, and for pressing Ctrl L for adjusting the mid-tone level. And third layer I will apply screen, and same as pressing Ctrl L for adjusting the light point. Then where the light is too much, I will selected this area and readjusted the point. Because looking so realistic, shadow and light must be balanced. Okay, press Ctrl D for deselect. And I will follow the previous all process for the second one Tumbler. Then group the layer and rename the layer as shadow. First one is shadow layer, second one is mid-tone layer, and the third one is for the light. Then group all layer and rename the layer, group name. Photoshop mockup is ready and also Canva mockup is ready. And see the final result. Here is the Photoshop mockup of 20 OZ tumbler. And this is the Canva mockup for 20 OZ tumbler mockup. And change the design as per your choice. And get the mockup link in the description box.